Good morning, students. How are you? Once again, your IP teachers, Mrs. Roji. I'm going to explain you the few more concept of Python programming language. Dear students, in previous class, we have already discussed the different types of operators used in the Python. We have also discussed the what statements, comment, and indentations. Means what is the statement, what are the comments, and what do you mean by the indentations. In Python programming language, we have already discussed that the valid statement that can be recognized by the interpreters is known as the statement. Statements means it is a valid statement recognized by the Python interpreters. And comment means the comments are the text. Comment means the text written between the comments. Inside the comments, it will not be it will not executed, means it will not participated during the executions of the programs. Means comments comments basically used to explain the source code more explanatory. In Python, the single line comment is represented by hash and multiple line comments represented by the triple quotes. Next, we have already discussed that variables and constants. Variable means it is a name. Variables are used to store data types. Means they take memory space based on the type of the value we assigning to them. Python supports the dynamic variable assignment. N1 equals to 10. Here the memory space for N1 just like an integers. And same time N1 equals to ABC means here string value is stored in N1, and equal to is an assignment operators used to assign the value to a variable. In Python, we have already discussed that the value can be assigned in different way. First one is the single assignment, means A equals to 10, B equals to ABC. Second one is the multiple assignment. Multiple assignment can be performed in two ways. First one is assigning the same value in different variable. Here A equals to B equals to C equals to 10, and assigning the multiple value in different variable, means A, B, C, D equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Means for this different values are assigned on different variable. Yes, today we will discuss the data type. Means what do you mean by the data types? Means what are the data types present in the Python? Means data type is used to define. Data type is just like a means to define the type of data. Type of data. Suppose there are so many data we are using day by day. For entering the roll number, we use integer value. For entering the name, we use the string value. For calculating the marks, we use the float value. So, in data type means the what types of data we are using for performing the calculations. Means it is means to define the type of data and associated operations. Actually, all the data types are defined into the two classifications, that is immutable data types and mutables data type. Immutables data type means the value cannot be changed, and mutable data type means value can be changed. So the data types are classified on the basis of immutables and immutables data types. In immutables data types, there are immutables data types in Python means the data types that whose value cannot be changed means numbers, strings, and tuples. These three data types are known as immutable data types, and list, dictionary, and sets. These three data types are known as mutable data types. In class 11, we will discuss the data type just like a numbers, strings, tuple, list, and dictionary. Sets is not in class 11, but sets is also a type of data type in Python that comes under the mutables data types. Okay, students. Next, in immutable data types, we will discuss numeric data types. In Pythons, there are number can be integers number, float numbers, and complex number. Integers numbers means the value that um, only when we want to take the value just like a only integers value, means there are no concept of fractional value. For this purpose we will use integer data types for calculating the real number, for calculating the decimal number, for manipulating the decimal number. In Python we will use float data types, and for calculating the complex number, means complex numbers, there are two parts in complex number, that is one is a real part and second is the imaginary parts. And for this operations we will use the complex data type. Suppose CNAM equals to 3 plus 4j, means 3 is a real part and 4j is a complex part. And this type of operations can also be calculated. This type of data can also be manipulated in the Pythons. In Java, there are no concept of complex number. In C++, there are also we have not used the complex number, but in Python there are new one data type, that is a complex number data types for handling the real number as well as imaginary numbers. Second one is the Python data type just like a string. Means string is a sequence of characters. Means what do you mean by the sequence of characters? Suppose we will write here Gyan Niketan, means the value written here Gyan Niketan means it is a sequence of characters. Sequence means the characters are represented in sequence way, and sequence started from 0 and end with the L minus 1, where L is the length of a strings. This is known as the backward transfers. In backward in forward transfers, the sequence number started from the 0 and end with the L minus 1. In backward transversal, the sequence number start with the L and end with the minus 1. Okay, so the position value of G is 0 and position value of N is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At the 11 positions, N will be the positions of N is 11. In backward traversion, N is the positions of N is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -12. Means the -1 to -L. And backward transversions 0 to L minus 1. Means string represented within a single quotes or within a double quotes. Next data types in Python is the tuples data types. Tuples means it is just like a immutable data type. That means it can be changed. The immutable data type can be changed and mutable data type cannot be changed. It is just like ordered collections of elements. Means Order collections of element enclosed in a round brackets, enclosed in a round brackets and separated by the comma. Tuple, just like tuple is a immutable data types and it is a order collections enclosed in a round brackets and each element separated by the comma. And this is an example of tuples of integers number, and same way this is an example of tuples of string value. Next data type, that is a Python data type, which is a list. Means list is similar to the tuples, but the elements of list elements of lists are enclosed within the square brackets and separated by the comma. The data value for list may be different or the same types. Means list, tuples, string, these three are known as the sequence data types. Means elements are arranged sequentially, and this is under a part of immutables. This is a part of mutables data types. Okay, list is a part of mutables data types. Mutables data types and elements are represented in sequence. Same way, just like suppose in list 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means number of element in list 1 is 5. And index value of element started from the 0 to 4. And same way in backward diversion, the index value started from the -1 to -L. Next, we will discuss the Python data types dictionary. Means dictionary is a collections of key and value in pair. Means in dictionary the value is represented in pair and each pair separated by the comma. Each pair separated by the comma, and there are no concept of duplicate key. Means duplicate index cannot be present here. It is in dictionary, it is not necessary to be a single data types. The order pair may be of different data type. Here one and colon, each pair divided between the colon and key and value separated by the colon, and each pair divided by the comma. Suppose in dictionary, name of dictionary is DICT and value equals to this. And if you want to print dictionary 1, means 1 is the key, means the value for that position is Titania. The value will be displayed as Titania. Similar way, dictionary last name. Last name is a key and the value for last name is a Singh. It will display the Singh as a output. And age means the key and value for age is 31. And the last one is the Python data type, just like a set. Set means it is a collections of key. Set is a collections of value. It is an order or uni-index collections of items. This means that we print the elements of a set. They will appear in the random order. Means there are no concept of sequence here. Means and we will not study set in class 11. Means set is also a type of data types, and here the sequence, there is no concept of sequencing. Means we have in string, in list we will maintain the sequence, we maintain the sequence 0 to L minus 1, but in set there are no concept of sequence. It is a unordered and uni-index collections of items. That means we will print the element of a set, they will appear in the random order. Okay, students, In next class, we will uh, discuss the program based on the different data types. Okay, bye bye.